Hello everybody, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Here we are going to create a to-do list or task tracker with a dynamic progress diagram. Here I have the 10 list of tasks, and when I click on this box it will be marked as complete, and when I finish these tasks, here you can see the diagram starts to update, and here 30% task completed is given. So in this video we are going to learn how to do this, and to do this, here I have another worksheet where there is no checkboxes and no diagram given, and here I will make this from the step-by-step process. First of all, you need to create this data of the task in this format, which you can get from the video description below. You can go to this another sheet and practice after watching the video. And here first of all, select the range of mark if complete. In this way, select this mark if complete range. Then here we need to insert checkbox. For that, go to insert menu, then go to this checkbox option. Now the checkbox will be given here. After that, when we mark the checkbox, the value will be given as true, and if the checkbox is not marked, the value is false here. And here we need to use a formula to uh, find out the completed task percent and incomplete task percent. So click here in this cell, then use this formula is equal to, then use the count if formula here, count if, open the bracket. Now here in the range of the count if, select this checkbox range, give a comma, and in the criterion type true here, true, true, close the bracket. Now type the division symbol, because we need to divide these from the total number of checkbox. For that, use the count a formula here, count a, then open the bracket, then select this checkbox range again, then close bracket, then press enter. Now you will get here 10 percentage. If it is displayed 0.1, you need to go here in the percentage icon and make it in percentage formatting. Now here in this another cell, press is equal to, then type 100% minus this percentage. Now click OK or press enter, and here you will get the 90%, which is the incomplete task. Now if you mark another one, here the value gets changed. Now we need to link this 20% or the completed task here inside this progress diagram. So here we need to first merge these cells to display this over here at the center. So if the cell are not merged, you can simply go here, because in case of not merged, here you will get these cells. So just select these three cells here, then go to the merge cell option. Now here the cells will be merged. Then here we have to link this. Simply press is equal to, then click on the percentage completed, then press enter. Now you will get this 20% displayed over here. After that, select these two percentage value, then go to the insert menu and then go to the chart option. And when you click on chart, here it will display the recommended chart for this type of data. Then we need to, now after getting this, we have to go here in the chart type and change this to the donut chart type by clicking over here. Now just make the size of the chart smaller by dragging this in this way. Also go here in this control and make this small from here, then just drag this and take this inside the progress diagram in this way. Now the chart is covering the completed task here, so to uncover this, simply right click, then go to chart style and go to the customize menu. Then here in the background color of the chart, simply use this none option. Similarly for the chart border color, use the none option. Now you can close this chart editor and reposition this by simply dragging like this way. After displaying this progress diagram, If you want to increase the size, you can go here and increase the size little bit from here in this way. Now to display the text of the task completed, first of all merge these three cells by using the merge option. Then here press is equal to, then click on this completed task percentage 20%. Then join this with the text by typing and symbol, then type double quotation, and here it is given as 0.2, so we have to multiply this with 100 by going here, then multiplied with 100 here, multiplied with 100, then give the and symbol, then type double quotation. Here we have to say double quotation, then we have to say percentage, then give a space, then task completed. After writing this, then double quotation close. Now press enter, and here you will see this 20% task completed. You can make it bold by going over here. Now this will be also dynamic. If you select one more task is completed, here you can see 30% task completed is given. Now after doing this, you can just select these two values and make them white color by going to this color option and take the white color from here so that they will get invisible here. Now your to-do list with dynamic progress diagram is complete. Here if you check the boxes, it will automatically display the completed task. And here if you want to make the portion of the incomplete task a different color, you can select this and then right click, then go to format pie slice and select a light color. Here I am taking this light yellow because it's better to display the incomplete task by a light color here. After this, here you can see the completed task will automatically get updated as we click on the checkboxes. So this is the way of creating the dynamic progress diagram with checkboxes in this to-do list in Google Sheets. And this much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe so that you will get similar kind of video update notification in future. Thank you very much for watching this. We will again meet on next video tutorial.